Imagine this. One email and your construction project grinds to a halt. Scary, right? Business email compromise, or BC, is a growing threat for construction companies in West Houston. Here's how it works. Cybercriminals get access to your business email, impersonate your employees, and trick you into transferring funds or revealing sensitive info. Why are construction companies juicy targets? Simple. High-value transactions and lots of stakeholders make you a prime target. The damage, financial loss, project delays, and reputational damage. Ouch! But don't worry, Impress Computers has your back. We specialize in protecting construction firms from these sneaky attacks with multi-factor authentication, advanced email security, and real-time monitoring. Plus, we train your team to spot those phishing emails a mile away. Stay ahead of the cybercriminals and keep your business running smoothly with Impress Computers. Contact us today and let's build a fortress around your inbox, because one email shouldn't bring down your empire.